Oh shit. Ka-chow.
Okay. Here.
What's up YouTube, it's Unboxer23 here today, and today we got something fragile by Nissan. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside. We got a little box right here, also from Nissan. Looks very promising actually. And we got two, decent sized packages. They're about yay long and yay wide. And there's a sun right there.
For better light. No.
Alright guys, so anyways, my package came in and it's for my car, obviously, but we're gonna remove this right here. Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Greetings. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have a lot of Nissan parts for my car, and our lovely assistant in the back will be handing us some boxes. So, our first box, thank you very much, is a small, elegant kind of box. Sounds good. Anyways, let's get into it. So, this is for my Nissan 240SX, and we have a lock and a pair of keys. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. Alright. And we have 3 more boxes. So thank you, assistant, for this very, jeez, look, it's a very long box. I'm gonna have to pull out my knife for this. Gotcha. Anyways, oh jeez, we'd have to cut it all the way. Anyways, let's see what the second thing is. Bubble wrap? Wow. Okay. That seems really good. I'm gonna put this down right here by my side. Okay, let me see. Which side should I take it? Anyways, this is for my Nissan 240SX, and these are some aftermarket taillights. I purchased these from a guy, brand new, and this is the centerpiece. And geez Louise, that shit is nice. I'm gonna put a logo right here too. It's looking really clean. I am honestly happy. These are, I'm gonna put these, put them right here. This is in the way of the shot?
No.
Alright. Alright, so our next piece, there's 2, one's right and one's left because it's taillights. But anyways, geez, this is another big, long, and thick brown box. Jeez. Look at that. It's like the size of my head times 4. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. And I'll make sure to cut the whole thing. Oh wow. So, these taillights, I've always seen these on YouTube and everything, and these just look so nice. So we have another box right here. I'm not sure what's in here, but we'll get into that later. And I'll put it right here. And wow. Wow. Look how this is packaged. This is like cloth. Get that shit out of here. This is like packaged with cloth. I don't even know what this is. Anyways, we're gonna do the reveal and let's see it. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. This thing makes my mouth water. Red, really nice. These are Type X taillights, I think, or something like that. But we'll unbox the second one and we'll show you the full, you know, how it's supposed to look. So can I get that second box too, please? And I'm gonna store that right here. But you know, we're just gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna really unbox this really quick. So anyways, we're gonna check out what's in this box right here. And I got two of them. I'm assuming one for the left and one for the right. And I guess it comes with maybe some type of sealant, I think. Something with the water maybe. And you can see the water in my nose. So that's what's in that box. It also got some JDM Japanese. Good focus on there. If y'all know how to read, let me know in the comments down below. And it also comes with some nuts. Anyways guys, I hope you like that. Those are the Type X taillights and I'm waiting for one more piece. And after that, I'll be putting it on my car. And I hope you guys stay tuned for that because geez, this will be my first mod on my stock body 240DS.
Conda forever.
Catch me next time on my next video. I don't know when it'll come out, but I'll see you guys soon.